Uh, Hi everyone. This video is continue to the previous video regarding the sudo command in Red Hat Linux operating system. So in previous video we have discussed about the single one user having the three commands to execute. Another user we have restricted the commands. Okay, restricting the commands. How we can restrict is by prefixing the exclamation mark. Okay, so these commands group add, group modification and group del, these commands are not allowed for the user ROM to execute. Okay, wherever when so then when it comes to the SAI user is allowed to execute only user adding, user deletion and user modification, because here we have defined these three commands for the user SAI to execute. Here we have defined these three commands for the user ROM not to execute. Okay, if we don't want the user any user not to execute, then we prefix with the exclamation mark and complete absolute path of the command. Likewise, we can restrict the user to not to execute any commands. Okay, in the same way, here I have defined user alias. User alias means here I have defined six users, Babu and Balu. So I have defined Babu and Balu. In future, if we want to add in a system user, we can add here. Okay, and here command alias. In command alias, we have added some set of the commands for the user for the command in the command alias. Okay, you can in future we can add more commands, but here see system users is a user alias and OS CMDS is a command alias. Here sys users is some set of the users, CMDS is some set of the commands. So we are allowing some set of commands for set of the users. Okay, now users are Babu and Balu. Let us see. Now I am switching to Babu. Now Babu is logged in. Now let us see whether he is able to create the user or not. User test. Now user test is created. Let us see. User test is created. Yes, user test is created. So if you see here sudo hyphen l, sorry, sudo hyphen l, we can see what are the commands he is able to execute. This is how we can define the vi sudo file.